Hey, it's the Flip Coach, and I'm here at the Deerfield Beach Rehab episode number 4. We've got some really good progress on the inside and some progress on the outside, which I'm going to show you guys in a minute. But first, I want to show you guys a little plumbing issue that we had. Okay, so what you're looking at is we had to dig into the foundation of the house. That's all of the cement and sand that we had to remove. The main water line and sewage line were rotted out. We had to replace them all the way to the outside of the house, all the way through the kitchen. So basically now with all the new PVC piping, we have all new plumbing in the house. So one of the things that I want to bring to your attention is that we always put contingency money. One of my contractors used to call it oops money. So when there is an issue of things that we don't know what the plumbing looks like inside the foundation of the house, we usually don't find those things out until we start our rehab project. So you always want to leave about 10% of your rehab budget for oops money, this contingency when you have some major plumbing or electrical issue that you don't know about until you start taking out the walls and getting into the project. So the plumbing issue we found actually started here in the master bathroom. You can see the PVC pipes there. That's the main connection that comes from the outside of the house to the inside and then connects to your toilets and showers and sinks and everything else. We found it in the master, and then we also made sure that we looked at it, the line throughout the entire house, which unfortunately it was all rotted. So we even had to replace it all the way through the kitchen as well. I'm gonna go around and kind of show you guys now the repaired sections. Okay, so this is the master bathroom, and you can see that was the main area that we had to dig into, and you can see all the new returns on the PVC piping here. And then we dug all the way through. This went through this bedroom. You can see on the floor, it went all the way to the outside of the house. So we've repaired that now, putting the foundation of the house back. This is another one that we had to do for the master bathroom, or the second bathroom. And then this went all the way through the kitchen, which you guys saw in the video, and then all the new PVC pipes that are here as well. So this is going to allow us now to start framing the house. And you can also see that we've done the electrical. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys that as well. So with the plumbing issue that we had, we've completed the plumbing. The electrical is done as well. We have now been approved on our plans. You can see all of our plans that we keep up in the house so that when the inspectors from the cities come in, they can always check that and verify everything. And you can see all of these electrical wires here. These are going to be for all of our lighting fixtures. So they plan out when they put the electrical in for how many outlets that we actually need. And for instance, this is going to be our stove. So we had to wire this 220 volts. And that's why we want to put that there for the cooktop, because this is the open portion now that we've opened in the kitchen to open up to the living room. Now, one of the other things that was accomplished over the weekend is we got most of the AC ducts finished and we're prepared to install the AC units. You can see right behind me, this is the new AC closet that we're utilizing. And you can also see above me, those are all of the returns for the AC, and you can see all of the ducts that have been done in the ceiling. And I'll show you guys now what that looks like. Okay, so this is where the AC unit's gonna go. And obviously that's the main part of the duct right there that will connect to all of the bedrooms. It connects down the hall. You can see it all the way through so that we have all of our returns and vents for the living room, dining area, and of course, our kitchen as well. So now with all of that, with all of the ductwork that's all been done, it's now been approved. That's our mechanical. And now we will be installing the new AC system in this closet sometime this week. Okay, now for the progress on the outside of the house. You can see the pool behind me. It is now staged and ready to start getting refinished. And they're gonna start putting the coping on it. You can actually see that's the pile of coping. Coping is what goes around the edge of the pool, all the way around the edge. And then we actually have tiles out here that are going to be installed. There they are behind me. Those are going to be installed on the top part of the pool to really make it a nice finish. Now, one of the things that you'll probably notice behind me, there used to be another room. That was the illegal portion of this room. And I'll show you guys what this kind of all looks like now. So now this is our entire patio area. We have that extra portion that was all built in, this all extra room right here. We already anticipated demoing that, so we put in the brand new door that will lead from the master bathroom out to the pool area. And then I met with the contractor this morning. We're gonna start talking about some plans. We might do a little kitchen out here with some artificial turf. And then we're coming up with some plans of what we're gonna do with the rest of the yard. You can see the framing that's here now. The frame goes all the way around the other edge of the pool. That's where the stamped concrete is gonna go, and that's gonna be the entire pool deck. So it's gonna look really nice when it's done. It's a little rough right now, but envisioning what this backyard is gonna look like, because this is gonna be a huge selling point for this project. All right, well, that's the end of episode number 4. You can see we've made some good progress. We still have a lot of ways to go. Once we get the inside framed in with the new drywall, we start putting finishes in, flooring, start installing the kitchen, you can really get an idea of what it's gonna look like inside. And I'm really excited about getting this pool done. I can't wait to take my first swim. So I'm the Flip Coach. I'll see you guys at the next episode of the Deerfield Beach Rehab. Until that time, happy investing.